Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing 7408 or 5408. It may be in S08, LS08, HC08, HCT08, F08, either prefix 74 or 54 and number 08. It is TTL AND gate 7408 AND gate 2 input. This is pin out. Here is its logic symbol, quad 2 input AND gate. Pin number 14 VCC, pin number 7 ground. 4 gates, 1 2 input 3 output, 4 5 input 6 output, 10 9 input 8 output, 13 12 input 11 output, 7 number pin ground. Let's test it. AND gate provides high output when all inputs are high. If any input is low, it will provide low output. A, B, Y. Y is equal to A dot B. Pin number 3 output. One two input. One input. Two input. 1 and 2 input, 3 output. Let's apply power. I connected these LEDs. Resistor is connected at anode and cathode of LED is grounded. One input high, output low. Second input high, output low. In its definition, anyone or all inputs are low, its output will remain low. When all conditions will high, all inputs will high, the output will high. Both inputs high, output is high. Other than, the output will remain low. It is opposite to 7400, which we discussed in our last video. Same way we can check the other two gates. Pin number 6 output, 5 and 4 input. Anyone or all inputs are low, the output is low. When all inputs are high, output is high. Same way, pin number 8 output, 9 and 10 input. Both input high, output high. Anyone low, output low. All low, output low. 11 output, 12 13 input. All inputs low, output low. Anyone low, output low. This or this. When all inputs will high, the output will high. It is 2 input AND gate. There are 3, 4, 5, 8 input AND gate. Definition of AND gate, that when all inputs will high, the output will high. If you enjoyed this video, give thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.